Hey there, Raiders! Here's how to unlock more crew cabins in SAND. Crew cabins are essential compartments if you're planning to play with a larger crew. Not only do they increase your Trampler's crew capacity, but they also serve as respawn points for your teammates if they're downed during an expedition. Some cabin layouts can even help reinforce and secure your Trampler's entrance by acting as protected corridors. To unlock more crew cabin variants, head back to the main lobby and open the tech tree. Navigate to Godlewski's branch, which is the blue upgrade path. Here you'll find the first crew cabin upgrade, which costs 700 crowns and increases your Trampler's crew capacity by 4 additional players. As you continue progressing through the tech tree, you'll unlock stronger and more durable crew cabin variants. These higher tier upgrades can better withstand enemy attacks, but they'll also require more crowns and rarer crafting materials to unlock. Once you've obtained the crew cabin you want, return to your Trampler's build page and place the new compartment wherever it best fits your design. Be sure to install enough crew cabins to accommodate the number of friends you plan to bring on your expeditions, while also considering how they'll affect your Trampler's overall layout and defense. A well-designed Trampler with properly placed crew cabins can make coordinating with your team much easier and keep everyone in the fight for longer, and that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.